Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well. I know the weather's cold outside and can be pretty dangerous in some areas, so I hope you're all safe. This is just a little reminder of my Tuesday talk this coming week, where I will be discussing Get on Board the New Underground Railroad. Harriet Tubman's spirit is guiding us to love and action, specifically going through the workshop that I presented at the Unity Church of Olympia last Sunday. I hope some of you may have watched it. If not, there is a link here in this on this page where you can watch my presentation. I want you to watch it before the workshop because there's also a handout that you can download and be ready to participate in the discussion. So the discussions about love, leadership, unity, and how each one of us has a purpose that we can fulfill to make the world better. Love in Actions. That is 6 p.m. Pacific time this coming Tuesday, which is January 27th. The link to Zoom registration is here on the page. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Let's have a great discussion.